How much is 2 and 1/3 minus 1 and 2/3? To subtract mixed numbers, first we have to represent them as improper fractions. Let's represent 2 and 1/3 as an improper fraction. Here, the whole was divided into 3 parts. We know that because there is 3 in the denominator. So 1 whole is equal to 3/3. As we have 2 wholes, we have to multiply the numerator by 2, and then we have to add to that 1/3. So we have 6/3 plus 1/3, and that is equal to 7/3. Next, we have to represent 1 and 2/3 as an improper fraction as well. Here, the whole was also divided into 3 parts. So 1 whole is equal to 3/3. As we have 1 whole, we have to multiply the numerator by 1. And then we have to add 2/3 to that. So we have 3/3 plus 2/3, or 5/3 in total. Now we represented 2 and 1/3 as 7/3, and 1 and 2/3 as 5/3, and we are ready to subtract the fractions. Once we have the same denominators, we only subtract numbers in the numerators. So 7 minus 5 is 2, and the final answer is 2/3. Now it's time for practice. How much is 4 and 5/6 minus 3 and 1/6? If you would like to solve this problem on your own, please pause the video and work out your answer. When ready, unpause the video to check the answer. Okay, let's check the answer. To find the answer, we have to represent each fraction as an improper fraction. Let's start with 4 and 5/6. Here, the whole was divided into 6 parts. We know that because there are 6 in the denominator. So 1 whole is equal to 6/6. As we have 4 wholes, we have to multiply the numerator by 4. And then we have to add to that 5/6. 6 times 4 is 24, so we have 24/6. And we add to that 5/6, and that is equal to 29/6. Now let's do the same with 3 and 1/6. Here the whole was also divided into 6 parts because there is 6 in the denominator. So 1 whole is equal to 6/6. As we have 3 wholes, we have to multiply the numerator by 3. And then we have to add to that 1/6. 3 times 6 is 18, so we have 18/6, and we have to add to that 1/6, and that is equal to 19/6. So 4 and 5/6 minus 3 and 1/6 can be represented as 29/6 minus 19/6. And now we can subtract the numerators only. So 29 minus 19 is 10, so we have 10/6. 10/6 equals 5/3, or 1 and 2/3. So 4 and 5/6 minus 3 and 1/6 equals 1 and 2/3.